You've gotten to the end of this journey.
This is not the end.
No, of course
Not
Nah, man. I'm sorry to have to tell you, your journey ends here today.
This is the end of your journey. You will not be going to the next round. You know?
Good luck, man. I'm sorry, man. Not this time. It's a no. This is as far as your journey goes.
Thank you.
But thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
This is the end of the road on Nigerian Idol. Thank you.
You will not be going to top 10. You know, this will be the end of the journey for you for this season.
Good luck.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank
Good
you
luck.
so much.
I want to thank you for coming. This is where the journey ends for you on Nigerian Idol. Oh, I'm sorry, David. This is the end of the road on Nigerian Idol.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
We appreciate
You,
it.
you have great talent, but do we think that you deserve a spot on top 10? I'm gonna have to say no.
You won't be going to the top 10, but thank you.
Thank you so much, Anna.
You'll be going home.
Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, God.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, I'm just sorry, man. Today is the end of the road.
This is the end of the journey for you. I'm so sorry.
This is the end of the road for you with Nigerian Idol. But I don't think it's the end of the road for you
At all.
with the music industry.
No, can I say something?
Yes,
Of course.